As Ukraine usually hit Russia's artillery when going into hiding, this time Ukraine attacked the Russian 2S1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer with an FPV drone when it came out from hiding. As the vehicle started leaking fuel while being on fire, the crew quickly abandoned the rolling and burning system. As the howitzer got stuck when hitting a mound, a second FPV drone came and hit it in the back, resulting in the whole system exploding, unfortunately off camera, making the Ukrainian drone to take out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more.